Is it? Oh, God. No, that wasn't me. No, it's someone else in here. No, I did fart. Stop. Is it? No, I see the panda, but she's in JCPenney. Yeah, juice stretches. No, I know. Yeah. No, it was the other guy. It wasn't me.
It was not the other guy.
He says it wasn't him. I thought it was. No, I'm CJCPenney. Yes. No. Yeah, that was me. I buttered my biscuit. Yeah. No, I gotta let it out. Yeah. I don't know what's wrong with me. I had Beano. Yeah. I'm trying to keep it concealed though. Keep it quiet. I go to the bathroom. No, it was somebody else. No, it wasn't me.
It comes in with the. That looks like it. They don't have that much charger.
Then he worked civil service after 21 years.
Yeah. I'm looking for it.
Clark parked upstairs. That's right. We'll go ahead and go past good.
Yeah.
Why are you gonna stand here? Why are we gonna stand here? Good riding the elevator.
Yeah.
That sucks though. I mean, girls were there all day and you took the kids to that arcade that was in there. We were literally just down the street from you guys. Because we ended up going to Tempe Town Lake and from there it was only like a 5-minute drive from your house.
I feel like I'm giving birth. God. Oh. I may have. I definitely buttered my biscuit. Yeah. Definitely buttered it. Oh my God. Not again. Yeah. No, the food court's far. I think I can go to JCPenney. I'll go to JCPenney. Whoopsie. No, that wasn't supposed to. No, I think it was the kid behind me. Yeah. No, it wasn't me. I'm not taking the fall for it.
Ya pues.
Oh god. No, I sneezed. Yeah. No, it came out when I sneezed. Yeah. No, I think it. Yeah. Oh, it's getting hot.
Time to say goodbye.
Love you long time, man. What is up, guys? So this video may actually look pretty familiar to some of you. It actually got taken down my YouTube, and I was gonna put in a new vlog in the video, but I was rewatching it and it was actually one of my favorite vlogs. I totally forgot about this vlog, but I'm putting it back on this video just because it made me laugh quite a few times and I really enjoyed it. So this is for my memory and maybe for you guys if you guys like this vlog. So yeah, that's basically the end of the explanation, and yeah, bye. Big truck.
Yeah, big. I see big cock.
That's it. It's a big truck.
Big cock.
No, big truck, sweetie, big truck.
Big cock. I got it.
You ready? Let's put it on. Your new alias is Patty. Patty? Hey, Patty! Elena, can you come here real quick? I mean, Patty. Patty! Patty, where you going? Patty! Patty, what are you doing, Patty?
Really good.
All right, bye, Patty. Better known as Patricia. Hey, Patty. I see you, Patty. Whoa, is that Elena? Hey, get back here. We gotta fix your diaper, sweetie.
No.
What are you doing? You're sticking your chest out, weirdo. What are you doing?
Right here, my tummy.
Your tummy?
Daddy tummy.
Hey, Daddy has a really tight 6 little tummies on his tummy.
Mommy tummy.
Yeah? Are we gonna roast Mommy while she's at work?
Yeah.
Elena, I think you're going a little overkill on the lipstick, love. Yeah, it's purple. Okay. Fun fact, Daddy kind of burnt today's waffle.
My waffle.
I know, it's your waffle.
I'm gonna stay here.
Stay there.
Yeah.
So we just got popcorn shrimp for Elena at Red Lobster. Look at this thing. I don't know if I'm being immature or what. Elena, can you do me a favor? Say subscribe.
Subscribe. I want the mommy.
You love Mommy?
I love Papa.
I want the nana.
You love yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, that's always good.
Safe. My safe.
You love yourself.
Safe.
That's you. That's Elena.
Sushi date with the wife. What is up, guys? Wait, what? You're happy they don't finish their essay writing, and they don't stop writing it until, wait, what? You don't release the money until you're happy. Okay. Below, they're, and they don't finish, or they, real quick, guys. Well, I just spit a lot. Excuse me. No, I know. Is there any way you could come get me? I think, Yeah, no, I think Jimmy gave me X-Lax brownies again. Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure he did. No, I'm trying to hold it. No, I'm trying to hold it, Mom. Yeah. No, it's coming like lava right now. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. No, yeah. No. Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah. No, yeah, I know. I'm trying, Mom.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I know. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Yeah, no, I'll be back. Excuse me. Yeah, Mom, I'll be back. Dean Terasaki. I think I gotta go to the bathroom. Excuse me. Oh boy. Bathroom's this way. I gotta go to the bathroom. I gotta go. Yeah. Mom? Yeah. No, yeah, I'm trying to go in the back of the library. It's pretty bad. It smells. Do you think that you could bring me any some sort of like gas X or something? Yeah, I gotta get back to school. Yeah, no. Yeah. Oh no, I definitely buttered my biscuit, let me tell you. Oh, I gotta get out of here. Excuse me. Oh God, I gotta poop. I'm just shooting a video. I'm just shooting a dumb video.
Can I not consent to being in that?
Yeah, that's fine if you don't want to. That's fine. Okay. I can blur your face and stuff. It's not a big deal.
Oh, okay. If you can blur me, that's cool.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah, not a big deal.
It's nice to meet someone like you, though. I watch your people.
You watch a lot of prank videos and stuff?
Of course. I like the ones where people get like punched in the face because it goes ultimately wrong.
Yeah, I haven't. I've gotten close. Like I had a lady throw like a metal tumbler at me. That was about it.
You do it for what?
YouTube.
Oh, okay. I was like, where's camera? Where?
Yeah. So, anyways.
I was so lost. I expect a tag. I want to see the video.
Yeah, you guys can. If you wanna, you can write down the channel if you want, real quick.
Cool. What is it? Enlighten.
It's GILSTRAP
Is it like
TV, and it's all one word. As soon as you get to the S, it'll pop up. So,
Cool.
yeah.
I'm looking it up later.
Cool guys.
Cody, by the
Thank
way.
you guys. I'm Derek.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Brian.
Brian. Nice to meet you. Have a good time studying, guys. See ya. Figured I'd give you guys a little laughter. Sorry, guys. Well, back to studying. I'm sorry. See you guys. Hello, Bug. You look pretty adorable. He's gonna throw his first snowball at you.
Me.
You want to throw a snowball?
Me.
Here, throw the snowball at Mama. Throw it at Mama. Whoa.
Again.
Okay, get one. Jeez, you're throwing that at Daddy. Ah! Whoa. Whoa. It's so cold out here. All right, that's getting really cold, guys. That's getting really cold, sweetie. Yeah, no more. Daddy's cold.
I did it.
You did. Is that how you eat bread?
I did it.
Good job.
You see what?
See cock.
No, that's a truck. Today has been nothing but moving boxes, and it sucks. We'll be real with you. It sucks. That thing's bigger than you. That thing's bigger than you. Ah! This sucks. Taking up 2 lanes of traffic. My daughter loves this thing, and it freaks me out every time she starts it. Look at this thing. I hate it, and she loves it. It's just stuff where they're like mouth moves. Like, I know it's just mechanical, but I hate it. So last week I told you guys we're moving, which is true. I have to do it from this wall, so because the rest of it's just all empty now, except up there's a little bit. Anyways, I'm filming for another channel that I'm starting, so that's why I kept this wall up, or else it'd be gone too. You're gonna sit down on your lunchbox.
Read.
Now you're reading a book.
Read book.
So this is what our future house looks like. They're starting to build it. The biggest backyard known to man. What about nuts?
Thank you.
It's the life of a parent. Are you good, sweetie? You good? Well, Bug, you don't have to hide food down there. Yeah, hiding grapes. You don't have to hide food.
What are you doing?
That's all yours.
No, Mama, me.
Yeah, mommy's gonna eat it, huh? So I'm walking in with Elena. Don't know why people are looking at us. And then I look at Elena.
Hope. Hey.
Big old boogie.
Daddy, stop that. Daddy, stop that.
So you guys know I have crazy experiences with food. Last time I ate pizza, there was maggots in it. I'll put a link to that in the bio, but now my mom and me are out eating Mexican food, and she found a piece of wood inside of her food.
Cute.
I don't know what my luck is. So this is my favorite thing that Elena does. I love you.
Love you, Daddy.
Makes me so happy when she says that. Taboo. Papa, do you know where Daddy's at?
No, Daddy.
Taboo.
I
Think someone with poo-poos.
Not
You stinky.
Not stinky.
You ready for your swim class?
Yeah.
Elena, strike a pose. Ah, that's a good pose. Oh, oh yeah. Oh. Code brown, fellas. I gotta poop. God damn it. No, I'm about to go to the movie, but I had some bad tacos. Yeah. No, I've had bad tacos. Can you bring me gas X? Food court. Oh, all right, I'll meet you downstairs. Excuse me. Shouldn't have Taco Tuesday at Poliberto's, man. Gotta poop.
You are so dirty.
Like the way
God, I did it. Oh God.
When he took me to Dutch, dude, I can't. I'm trying to tell you.
Vlog time.
I'll go. Girl, I made my choice. Girl, I made my choice. You ain't gotta think twice. No sleep, staying up all night. I'm stingy, I don't share. I'm all about you, that's why I'm here. Girl, I made my choice.
Do you like potty training?
Yeah.
How do you think it's going? Do you think you're a big girl yet?
No.
No? You're a big girl. You're going potty right now.
No.
Man, you guys are two peas in a pod. Do you love Papa?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're cute.
Are you a frog?
No.
No.
I don't know frog. No, dummy.
No, you're not frog.
No.
What are you?
No.
You're Elena.
Yes.
Nux? Yeah. You're growing up so fast, sweetie. You gotta stop. What you doing? Are those fake hiccups?
Here. No, the poo-poo jacket.
It's a purple or poo-poo? Purple?
Yes, poo-poo jacket.
It's not purple, silly.
It's my poo-poo jacket, just like mine.
Okay, you can have it.
Just like my jacket.
You can have it. It's all yours, sweetie.
Right.
Gill strap.
Stop.
Are you happy to be a gill strap?
No.
Yeah, me either. What, Bug? What's on your face?
Stickers.
Is that stickers or makeup?
It's not a makeup, it's a sticker.
Ooh, did you draw that?
Yes.
Ooh, it's pretty.
Thanks. I do it on school.
You did it at school?
Yes.
Oh
it's pretty.
my gosh.
And look at the back.
Wow! What else did you do at school?
I eat some fruit snacks with my friends.
You ate some fruit snacks with your friends?
Yes.
Ooh.
And we play one. My friends go in the house, eat some cocoa and popcorn, and was making my scrap house.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff.
And we read a story with Peppa on the carpet.
Well, guess what?
What?
I missed you.
I missed you too. I like this book.
You like that book?
Yeah.
Why do you like it?
I'm going to get these the sprinkles.
Why do you like it so much?
I'm going to get the sprinkles.
Oh, sprinkles! Ooh, that is so shiny and pretty.
Damn, pretty.
You made a good choice.
Wow! Hey, you want to go into school with me?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's good.
Is it a fun school?
Yeah.
What, sweetie?
You can go to play my friends.
I'm gonna play with your friends?
Yes.
Okay.
So be patient.
You be patient.
No, you be patient.
Okay, I'll be patient. What is up, guys? This video may actually look pretty familiar to some of you. It was uploaded maybe 6 months ago, but YouTube Another one of those things got taken down. It was a copyright thing with the music and they took all the revenue from it. So it's just a big hassle. It just had to get deleted. There's that. And I also have another video coming out in a couple days. It's going to be the wig prank part 2. Shootsies! A lot of you guys have been asking me to do another wig pranks. I need a couple more scenes for it, but besides that, it's all done, all edited, except for like 2 or 3 more scenes. And yeah, it's all right. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.